35 Parkview. It's apartment 2. It's available. It's a nice building because it's got a double lot. A lot of Bangor doesn't have very good off-street parking, but even in the wintertime there's 2 off-street parking spots for this unit. It's a big 2-bedroom. The really neat thing about it is the location. You know, you've got a huge park that actually takes up 3 streets right across the street. You're right up the street, maybe half a block to Main Street, so this location is right down the street from Eastern Maine, or now I think it's called Northern Lights. They just changed the name. Frank's Bakery is right there. You're walking distance to downtown, and of course you have the park right there as well. So this is a unusually large 2-bedroom. It's sort of really oversized. Get mail right here. You've got basically, I think it's pretty much 2/3 of the whole upstairs is just this unit. The owner's just finishing up doing some painting. As you come up the stairs, on the right hand side you've got this huge double living room. It's got a couple closets here. This one they used for coats. You can see he's got the painting stuff there, some more painting stuff over in that closet. So you basically get a coat closet plus a bonus closet. The room's big enough so you can do pretty much anything you want. You can notice they've also updated the wiring. They've added a bunch of outlets, so there's more of those. And then you've got kind of a center hall. One of the neat things is it's got a full bath. And probably because it's such a big unit, but it's got great closet space, which is a real problem with Bangor, with our old housing stock. A lot of times they don't have very good closet space. But so it's got a linen closet on this side. You've got a full tub shower. And this is kind of neat. It's a heated towel rack. The owner put it in when they had to upgrade the heating, so that's really neat. It's got this little bonus space. It does have its own thermostat. So this could be good for like a computer desk or just a sitting area for that matter. On this side, it's got a big bedroom. I think what everybody's used is a master bedroom. They just did some trim painting in here. It's neat because it's got a regular closet here, kind of your standard. But then on this side, it's got either a little office area, again, it has an outlet and stuff, so it could be that way, or past tenants have set up clothes racks in here and used this as a walk-in closet, which is super neat to have a room this side with a regular closet and then a potential walk-in closet. And this connects over to the second bedroom, so you could use this as a closet for both, or just use it for a closet for the master. So again, this goes back to the hallway. So you got the second bedroom right here. It does have a ceiling fan. And then as you walk back here, they're still finishing up the kitchen, but it's an eating kitchen. That cabinet actually goes in between the sink and stove, so you have a little bit of cutting surface right beside the stove. And then that area is where everybody's typically put a table. It's big, so you can put as big a table as you might like. As you come in right here, they've got like a storage area for pots and pans. What's really neat is, again, kitchen sink and stuff over there. It's got a pantry that's just huge. It's kind of deep, and then it's got big shelves all the way up. That's pretty unusual. And there is a second means egress down there, and then it's got washer dryer hookup off to the side, so it's not stuck in the middle of the kitchen. It's got cabinet above. Same thing over here. You've got cabinet space and then dryer hookup. So you could use that for more canned goods if you wanted to, but it's probably overkill given the size of the pantry. Excuse me. So that kind of completes 35 Parkview number 2. If you would be interested, let us know. It'll be finished this weekend, and so it would be available for pretty much immediate occupancy.